What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about this soundcore Sleep A20, your best sleeping partner. For the last couple of days, this set of earbuds have increased my work efficiency by helping me to have a tight sleep every night. Thanks to Thea that she has bought this soundcore Sleep A20 and gifted it to me. As it was a gift, I have already unboxed it and I have been using it for the past couple of days. But okay, don't worry, Thea has recorded the unboxing video, so we will start from unboxing and then we will talk about all the features and the performance of this soundcore Sleep A20. But before everything, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. From the design standpoint, this is a masterpiece. No other earbuds are comparable to this. There are brands who do a lot of research and then fail to deliver an actual product based on the research. And yeah, there are some other brands who actually don't even care about R&D. They just keep copying each other. But well, Soundcore is different. They always do a proper research and use those data to manufacture the best product for their users. The very first moment I placed these tiny monsters into my ear canal, I felt a shivering of soothing comfort. It instantly felt like a well designed product manufactured with top quality materials. I think Soundcore Sleep A20 deserves to win a few awards. One for its classy, elegant design, and another for the comfort, the perfect fit inside the ear canal. Once I put these earbuds into my ear canal, it sits firmly inside, it gets a very tight seal, yet I've never felt like I'm wearing a set of earbuds because I've never felt any fatigue wearing these earbuds. Okay, these are designed specifically for sleep, so all the different sleeping postures are supported. As I am a side sleeper, so at the beginning I was a bit worried. Will I feel any pressure? And after using these tiny monsters for the past couple of days, okay, the answer is no. There isn't no pressure, no fatigue. I actually have felt nothing but comfort. The 3D ergonomic design blends perfectly with the shape of the ear. In all of my earbuds review videos, I have mentioned this. The ear tips are one of the most important thing of a set of earbuds. Well, as Soundcore has used premium ultra soft material, as there are two layers of ear tips, the basic ear tip and the ear wing. Ear wing is an air-filled structure. It provides a pressure-free wearing experience. Together, they cover 100% of the concha, the central part of the auricle. Oh yeah, inside the box, there are three sizes of ear wings provided, so we can choose the right sized one. Also, there are 7 different sized ear tips, 3 of those are breathable and the other 4 are sealed ear tips. I personally use the breathable one cause my girlfriend doesn't snore, but yeah, the sealed one actually provides a better passive noise blocking. And I personally recommend that you use the sealed one if you want to get the best out of these earbuds. Well, talking about noise blocking, these earbuds have 4-point noise masking. Twin seal ear tips bring 3 times stronger passive noise blocking. There is masking sounds for deep snores, and smart volume control automatically gets adjusted to prevent external noise. Talking about masking sound and smart volume control, let's talk about the application. Once connected to the Soundcore application, we can take the full advantage of these Soundcore Sleep A20 earbuds. After connecting for the first time, there will be a reminder to fit the earbuds properly to prevent the earbuds from falling off or putting pressure on the ears while asleep. We can also set up sleep schedule, both as a reminder as well as a wake up alarm. Underneath that, we have playback settings. There are 2 tabs on top, one for the Bluetooth mode and another for the sleeping mode. Inside the sleeping mode playback settings, we can select how long the earbuds will wait until it goes to the sleeping mode. Moreover, we can also select the music or the playlist which will be played in sleeping mode. Yeah, I have already mentioned we can enable smart volume, which is a very effective thing because after we fall asleep, we cannot change the volume, but the earbuds can do this for us. It will listen to the ambient sound and change the volume automatically to provide us the best soothing comfort. In the Sounds tab, we can create up to 4 different playlists for the sleeping mode. There are 9 preset lists along with a lot other sounds to create our own playlist. Here we have all the different options to customize the sound and the playlist based on our own requirement. That's really a great thing. Kudos to Soundcore. Other standard features like battery status, button or control remapping, equalizer, and firmware update. Everything is also available inside the application. Finally, there is this amazing feature, Sleep Analytics. Soundcore Sleep A20 is actually equipped with MEMS sensors, so it can monitor sleep time, quality of the sleep, and even the movements while we are asleep. I believe this is one of the most innovative features brought to the end users by any earbuds manufacturers. Battery life of Soundcore Sleep A20 is amazingly longer than other earbuds. Considering the size of the earbuds, 14 hours battery life in sleeping mode is really long. And you know what? With the charging case, it goes beyond 80 hours. In Bluetooth mode, each of the earbuds can provide up to 10 hours of battery life, and with the charging case, that goes beyond 55 hours. More than 2 days. That's exactly 2 days and 7 hours. So when I'm traveling for a few days, I don't even have to worry about recharging this set of earbuds. And yeah, when I need to recharge it using any power brick with a USB-C charging cable, I can fully recharge it within 90 minutes. Well, that's all about this Soundcore Sleep A20, your best sleeping partner. From my personal user experience, these are the best sleeping earbuds. You may check my channel. I have these sleeping problems, so I have been buying a lot of different products and gadgets to get a tight sleep. And after a few failures, I think finally I have got the best set of earbuds, which is not living on a hype. Soundcore Sleep A20 actually performs in real life. Well, if you want to resolve the sleeping problem like I have done with this Soundcore Sleep A20, then you should check the link I have left in the description box below. But before that, I don't believe in affiliation. I'm not gonna earn any single penny from you. So if you wanna buy this product, you can buy it from anywhere, and the link I have left in the description box isn't any affiliate link. I'm here to share my honest opinion. Soundcore Sleep A20 actually works. It has helped me for the past couple of days to get a better sleep. It helps me to fall asleep faster, and it has helped me to get longer sleep time. Period. That's all about this Soundcore Sleep A20. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.